Alaska Airlines has announced that it has selected the Boeing 737-800 to replace the inter-island 717-200s that currently operate under the Hawaiian Airlines banner. These rear-engine twinjets have been a perfect fit for the short and sharp rotations that characterize inter-island flying, but it is no secret that they aren't getting any younger. As such, a replacement aircraft has been eyed for some time. Let's examine the move more closely for today's video. The 737-800 looks set to be an advantageous choice for Hawaiian, as rather than having to splash out on new jets to replace its loyal 717-200s, it'll be able to inherit these directly from Alaska, the carrier that it was merged into last year. These aircraft are younger than the 717s, and they also have more capacity, especially in premium seating. The Alaska Air Group confirmed this decision in a statement, saying that the fleet transition, which is set to begin in 2028, will bring, quote, proven reliable aircraft with premium interiors and fast free Starlink Wi-Fi to neighbor island flying. On this front, Pax X Aero notes that Alaska will base a dedicated subfleet of 737-800s in Hawaii, with Hawaiian pilots and cabin crew operating them. Conscious of ensuring that the new fleet retains a Hawaiian identity, Alaska was also keen to specifically highlight that the 737s will offer inter-island flyers, quote, more room in cargo for surfboards. This type of flying conducted by the 717s features high cycle usage with lots of short flights, with Alaska Airlines adding explicitly that the 737's airframes and engines can withstand those high cycles. According to present fleet data made available by CH Aviation, the 19 units of the 717-200 that are currently registered with Alaska Airlines under the Hawaiian brand are 24.5 years old on average. Meanwhile, the carrier's 59 737-800s, of which a subfleet will be transferred to Hawaii in the coming years, are somewhat younger, clocking in at a mean age of 18.3 years old. In terms of raw capacity, the 737-800 can carry 25.78% more passengers, with a grand total of 161 seats compared to the 717-200's 128. While Alaska plans to put the wheels of the full-scale fleet transition into motion in 2028, it will begin operating inter-island flights within Hawaii using the Boeing 737-800 somewhat sooner. Indeed, the carrier confirmed that starting in October, one Alaska-branded 737 aircraft will fly 3 round trips per day between Honolulu and Kahului in order to meet Hawaii's needs in the shorter term. What do you think of this move? Let us know by leaving a comment. And be sure to check out Simple Flying's flight tracker. From live alerts and data on commercial, military and government flights, it goes way beyond your standard tracker. It was built specifically for AvGeeks, free and live, right at your fingertips. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.